Hello, Mrs. Chugani. Preeti here. Preeti? Preeti Mehra. Deepak Mehra's wife. I'm part of your youth association drama group. Yes, that's me. Fine, thank you. Actually, it's the drama group I'm calling about. You may recall, when I had joined you last year, I took great pains to make sure you understood what a wealth of experience I had. No, not to be sniffed at. You said so at that time. We agreed, did we not? That someone with as many productions under their belt as I have is a valuable asset to any amateur group. I was in Madhubala. But I wasn't Madhubala. I had a supporting role. I was playing mother's sister's friend. But then I was also in Saat Dhulan ke liye Saat Bhai. I was the mother of one of the kidnapped Dhulan. Of course, I've had a speaking part. I had 2 lines in Saat Dhulan, but that's not important. I was in those productions and you were aware of it. And I thought my experience should be taken into account when it came to casting people for your stuff. Yes, I do realize that. As a director, you have the right to cast whosoever you choose. I would never dream of questioning your authority. But this is the 3rd production you've done since I joined you. And, well, Frank, I feel you've overlooked me. First, there was Mahabharat. You refused to even consider allowing me to audition for the role of Draupadi. I'm not 55 years old. My colleagues and friends felt I was perfect for Draupadi's role. Oh, alright then. If I couldn't play Draupadi, I was definitely in the right age category to play Satyavati. Surely you could have written the scene into the play. It's in the book. And I landed being as one of the 3rd servants from the left fagging mother Kunti. I didn't say anything at the time. Well, alright. Yes, I did. But I didn't want to press the point. I only continued pressing until I was sure you had registered my complaint. And I realized it is simply not done to take an actor of my caliber and make them 3rd servant from the left. Then, to add to insult to injury, there was your social drama production. I realized you were trying for one of those airy-fairy, newfangled, no scenery, let the audience imagine it type of productions. But did you really feel only part I could play was the wall in front of that tomb? I know it's an important part of the set and story. But thank you. My performance to stand frozen all the time like a stunned wall was neither here nor there. I could have been the victim, or at least the doctor who saves the victim in the production. Even if I was slightly too old to play that victim, so what? Drug abuse can be shown with a more mature woman. Let's face it, I'd have been better than that girl you cast. Oh, come on, Mr. Chugani. Victim was a woman in her late 20s. She would hardly have been a teenager, would she? I could have given the role more depth. I could have enacted with poise and understanding and raw emotion. I'd have had the audience crying in their seats with portrayal of a dying woman's anguish, and they'd have talked of nothing else for weeks. Now on to your latest production, cow gali pageant? What's wrong? What's wrong? Are you serious? Oh, I am an experienced actress. I have dignity, voice, and yet you expect me to climb into that silly, not to say itchy and hot costume to play a bunny mascot? I know everyone else is doing it. I've been everyone else's costumes and some of them are inspired. I fully understand you asking Vinayak to be a banana and casting Shikha as a juicy red apple seems to sum her up wonderfully. Although getting that horrid Rishi to be a raspberry, do you know he's taken that as a green light to make rude noises at me throughout rehearsals? I don't much care what you dress others in. I don't care whether they are good sports about it or not. What matters to me is that part you expect me to play, and I am here to tell you, I simply cannot do it. I won't. I put up with being a maid. I tolerated being a frozen wall, but this is far, far worse. This is not a part I should be playing, Mr. Chugani. Let me say it loud and clear. I'm not ready to be a part of your fruit salad yet.